Morning everyone. Today's session we will discuss on the dark traits. Dark traits refers to the three negative personality traits. Those are narcissism, machiavellianism and psychopathy. People with these traits tend to be callous. They will be very insensitive and manipulative and they will be willing to do anything to get their work done. These traits, in fact, are not a mental diagnosis, but yes, of course, it is a personality disorder. For this session, I have referred to sources from Share Slides, Internet Sources, Slides and Images, and I have referred to the book Organizational Behavior by Stephen P. Robbins. The dark trait comprises the personality traits of narcissism, machiavellianism, and psychopathy. These are called dark because of their malevolent qualities. Research on the dark trait is used in applied psychology, especially within the fields of law enforcement, clinical psychology, and business management, and obviously in organizational behavior. People scoring high on these traits are more likely to commit crimes, cause social distress, and create severe problems for their own organization, especially when they are in leadership position. Narcissists are driven by one motive: dreams of glory. They flourish when they are facing a difficult situation. They shine when performance under stress counts the most. As for Machiavellians, the end justifies the means. They don't mind what is the human pain they are causing to others. They want the end to be satisfied. They want that to be attained. As for psychopaths' behavior, it is deceit and reckless disregard for others. Now we'll see the features of each trait. First, for narcissist. Those who have high narcissist level, they will be very proud, egoistic, arrogant, cocky, self-centered, controlling, duplicitous, hypersensitivity to criticism, highly entitled, superior, inflated views of themselves, lacking empathy. They want to exhibit things, they want to exploit, dominant behavior, boastful and prone to exaggeration, uncompromising and aggressive. Those with high qualities or high levels of max are critical, negative, ethically suspect, manipulative, cynical, immoral, driven by self-interest, deceitful, cunning, calculating, intelligent, emotionally detached. People with high psych level are enduring antisocial behavior, risk-taking, impulsivity, selfishness, callousness, remorselessness, lack of empathy, bad-tempered, devoid of conscience or guilt, skilled impression management, charismatic, superficially charming, crafty, deceptive and manipulative. We'll see the 9 features of narcissist personality. First one being grandiosity. They exaggerate, they have an exaggeration sense of self-worth. They always fantasize and dream about success. Wholeheartedly believes they are unique. They are the only unique personality. They have an overwhelming need to be admired. They want themselves to be always admired. And they want a very favorable treatment for themselves. But they will not behave in the same manner when concerned with others. They lack empathy. They do not care about the feeling of others. They are very dominating and they are very arrogant and believe people are envious of them. Every time they believe that whatever success they are going through, and other people are very envious about that, and they'll be very manipulative and take advantage of others. When a true narcissist personality is challenged, they can become unpredictable and dangerous, highlighting just how big their ego has become and how adversely they react when that is threatened. In another session also, I told you, right, having a positive attitude is nothing but You need to only respond to things. You should not react to things. Here they will adversely react to things. Now we'll see the traits of Machiavellianism. This trait is also known as Match, which is named after Niccolo Machiavelli, who wrote in the 16th century on how to gain and use power. This is based on three factors. One is they have a urge to maintain power, and they use very harsh management tactics, and they are very clever in manipulating behavior. The main characteristic is like manipulation and exploitation of others, and absence of morality, and unemotional callousness, and they have a very higher level of self-interest. They are mainly concerned about their own self-interest, and manipulation and exploitation is the main characteristic. Next we'll see the traits of psychopathy. Here the person will lack concern for others. He will not be concerned for anyone. And if his actions are causing harm to others, he will not feel guilty also. He will not even feel that he has done something wrong. So there he is lacking guilty also. And then he will use very hard influencing tactics. Either he may be throwing threats, physical or verbal threatening, or he may try to manipulate. And they may be very cunning, which helps them gain power, and they will not use that power for a healthy end. They will use it only for their own self-interest. So this is the deadly combination, where a single person has two or more characteristics of this dark traits. Imagine when one trait itself has so many negative behavior, negative attitude, negative qualities and characteristics. What if a single person possesses more than one dark traits? Say for example, a person possesses narcissism qualities and psychopathy qualities. He will be to the core selfish. He will only be thinking about self-esteem and self-promotion. And if a person has psychopathy and Machiavellianism qualities, he will only try to deceive. Every opportunity he will try to deceive people. And if he has the qualities of narcissism and Machiavellianism, he will have a capacity to influence and convince people, manipulate. And what if all the three characteristics are in a single person? He'll be to the core disagreeable. He will cause so much of callousness. He'll be so insensitive. He will not even have a single percentage of empathy. Then dishonesty. And then he will try to manipulate. So when a single person has two or more characteristics of this dark traits, here comes the deadly combination. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next session.